Hello everyone, this is Asim from Trade with Asim and Sajjad, and today I'm here for the daily analysis of 16 November 2018. Before I start my analysis, I would ask those who have just joined our channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get all the updates for the videos that we post on daily basis. Starting from our economic calendar, as we can see, there are only just two important events. President Dargai will speak, and the CPI for the month of October will be from the Eurozone. So both of the really important news are from the Eurozone, and we expect really volatility in the Euro USD pair, most probably. So I wish you a very good luck and have a safe trading. Starting my analysis from the dollar index, as you can see, yesterday I did say that it will try to go down and it might be a sideways market, and it is absolutely a sideways market. It tried to breach the support one as of yesterday and today, but it could not breach the support of 96.82, and currently it's trading just above the pivot, which is at now the pivot is at 97.10 and it's just at 97.13. So it's still kind of a mixed kind of market for the dollar index, as we are not really expecting some great news from the dollar from the US. So I don't expect that it will try to go high and it will try to close at the lower level. And I'm expecting that it will try once again to breach the support at 96.82. Once again, if it approaches this support, I'm expectedly sure that it will form a bearish momentum, as currently it's rejecting from resistance as well as support. So we need to wait for the confirmation in order to drop, and the confirmation would be breaking of this support level at 96.82. Moving on to Euro USD, as you can see that a dollar index got some improvement, and that's why you can see that it got dropped as well, but still dollar euro USD is above the pivot, and I'm expecting that the bullish trend will continue and it will try to breach 1.137 at this level, but it is a weaker support, weaker resistance. It will breach this level and would approach support resistance at 1.140. So my level of trading for the euro USD is maximum up to 1.140, not above that. That's a bullish momentum. I would expect, even though it's not yet closed for today, as it's currently trading at 1.131, but I'm still expecting that it will go much higher, and we are expecting this candle will close down in green. But if the dollar index falls, it will go much more higher than expected. Moving on to GBPUSD, as you can see, we saw a really big drop due to the news in the market today, and it was a very huge drop. So now we are expecting a little bit retracement. It will try to move towards resistance support of 1.2800. GBP is currently at very big support, which is at 1.271. It was unable to break this support and got rejected. It has rejected 3 times from this level, so I'm once again expecting that it will go high and it will be bullish for the daily. But at the moment it's bearish, and if it approaches once again this support, which is at 1.271, if it breaks this support, then I'm expecting that it will drop below that one. And let's check that one in the weekly, that up till which level. Yes, actually this is the weekly support as well, which is very strong support here. So if it breaks, then my next speculation would be that it will reach at least 1.24 or below 1.119. So it might not go that lower, but it will try to once again achieve the higher momentum. Currently I am bearish at it at the GBP USD, but it will do a retracement towards 1. Let's see on daily chart. It will do this retracement towards 1.280. That's all for the GBP pair. I would be calling for a caution for GBP USD. Looking into USD Canadian dollar, as the price hikes for the petrol, for the oil. So we did expect a fall, and that was what was speculated yesterday, as it was trading below the pivot. Currently, it's also below the support 1, which is at 1320, and I'm expecting that it will try to breach the support 2, which is at 1.318, and I'm bearish at the moment for the USD Canadian dollar. Looking into gold, as it tried once again to test this level of 1216, but it got bounced back. Currently it's at a bullish momentum, and once again I would expect that it will try to test the resistance level of 1219, and it will try to approach at least minimum of 1227, which is at this level. I'm expecting the gold to close below this level and above the level of 1220 within this week. So that was gold, as I'm bullish on the gold. Moving on to Nasdaq 100, our last pair of the day. As currently you can see, its pivot has been formed on 6791.7, and currently it's trading just above the pivot, which is at 6789.5. So it's currently above the pivot, and I would be expecting, as the US stocks are not really good in the momentum, and it got twice rejected from the support, which is just below the pivot at 67.80, sorry, 6731.7. So it's the support is really weak support, but it still is bouncing back from here. So it is a kind of indication for me that it will try to once again to approach resistance 1 at 6859. A break above this level would be 96912.70. So let's look at the chart in a different angle by using Hikanashi. So you can see currently this is showing a bearish momentum, and we are waiting for this kind of candle, as it has been forming. All of these are forming a really great candles in order to start bullish momentum, but at the moment I don't really see that it might go upward. So I'm bearish on Nasdaq 100, and I would expect it to drop up as lower as 6654.30. That's all from Trade with Asim and Sajjad, and if you like our video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button.